Hey, there's no more glitter central. I vacuumed it up yesterday. But welcome to day 21 of Advent. Yesterday, nobody was around. Nobody made any moves to decorate the tree, so I did the tree yesterday. I also did a small tinsel tree in another part of the house, and I don't know if I have any footage of that for you. But if not, I will get you some and pile it up at the end of this video. I'm just going to, as I seem to do every year, is you're going to get to see a bit of me vacuuming up the glitter. The glitter is done for the season. No more makes except for the knitting things that I've got going on anyway that has no deadline. And then tree decoration, which has a deadline. I think this is pretty much the latest I've left it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the latest I've ever decorated a tree. Now, traditionally, my grandmother put hers up Christmas Eve, and then she kept it through the Epiphany, which I believe is the 6th or the 12th. I can't remember. You guys tell me if you know what that is. I'm sure I could Google it. But the reason she would put it up Christmas Eve, at least in my memory, is that Christmas Eve they gave the trees away for free. And so she'd get a free tree and they'd bring it home. They always had great trees. So I would, you would think it would only be Charlie Brown after the season. But I remember her tree always being pretty darn cool. Now, granted, I was a kid and it was super exciting to be at my grandparents' house for Christmas. So who knows if my memories are skewed. Oh, so many of our memories are skewed, right? All right, I'm going to just line up the video for you and run it. I'm just running around the living room decorating the tree and cleaning. I just gave you a small portion of the cleaning. I vacuumed the entire house and even the porch because we have a neighboring fir tree that when the wind blows, it just like launches needles. I'm really worried about our garage because I don't think it's been uncovered in years. So I could probably grow a vegetable garden up on top of our roof. But the driveway got cleaned up except under 2 cars. And then and I vacated with the cars and meant to go out, but I didn't get a chance. However, I did do the porch, blew away the pathway to the porch, and then vacuumed all the glitter up from inside the house and the kitchen cooking mess and all that. There needs to be some mopping, though. Anyway, have fun. I hope you enjoy.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanged. unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging, each shining light, each silver bell. No one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
I hope you enjoyed that video. There'll be more footage added before you see this, and if you do enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for this and for the rest of our Lay shenanigans throughout the year. In the meantime, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.